A recent report has stated that the Google Pixel 8 may be getting a 120Hz display as one of several substantial upgrades. This report comes to us from Android Authority thanks to an inside source at Google. The most notable upgrade revealed in the report is that the Pixel 8's screen will now support a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. This would allow it to match the Google Pixel 8's refresh rate and peak brightness. Although in our testing we only got as high as 1349 nits. The leak has also given us more information about the Pixel 8's camera too. According to the report, the Pixel 8 will have the same camera setup as the Pixel 7a. This includes a 64MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 13MP selfie camera. In our Pixel 7 review, we praised the cameras but noted that its photos feature a dark color tone that might turn some users away. But despite that, it's a frequent contender amongst some of the best cheap phones on the market. In fact, it held up nicely when we shot 200 photos between the Pixel 7 and Nothing Phone 2a. The report also backs up previous claims that the Google Pixel 8 will have a version of the Google Pixel 8's Tensor G3 chip. While the Tensor G3 is less powerful than the Galaxy S24's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the iPhone 15's A16 Bionic chip, it is still a major improvement over the prior Tensor 2, and more powerful than most chips used by phones of a similar price to the Pixel S series. The Pixel 8's version of the chip is reported to be slightly thicker and runs slightly hotter than the Pixel 8's version due to it, seemingly using a cheaper plastic outer casing instead of a metal one, but it should otherwise be the same. Finally, there are indications that the Google Pixel 8 will be available in more countries. According to the report, the Google Pixel 8 has electronic warranty labels for Estonia, Finland, Hungary, Lithuania, Latvia, Poland, Romania, Slovakia, and Slovenia. One issue facing Google is finding the right way to price the Pixel 8 compared to the Google Pixel 8. While Google has not revealed a price, a recent leak in the German market did state that phones had risen in price. Unfortunate news for what's supposed to be a budget model. What are your thoughts on the potential upgrades to the Google Pixel 8a, including the 120Hz display and the improved camera setup? How do you think these upgrades will impact its competitiveness in the market, especially considering the reported price increase compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7a? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.